A cautious tilt in risk sentiment is keeping downside risks in play across US indices and Bitcoin, keeping key support levels in focus. Hello everyone, this is Razan Hilal, market analyst with Forex.com. Today is February 18, 2026. The extended risk-off sentiment is reflected in CNN's Fear and Greed Index, which is currently tilting towards the fear side. Now, from a contrarian perspective, extreme sentiment often precedes market reversals. However, the broader markets can still experience a final drawdown before their primary bull runs resume their course. Now, analyzing the Bitcoin chart from a weekly time frame perspective, we can see that the price action from the highs and the all-time highs reached in October 2025 possibly completed a full corrective cycle, reaching the full pattern potential target of that bearish wedge formation that was traced on the charts between November 2025 all through January 2026, reaching the 60,000 threshold. Now, we might have the buying opportunities emerging from this level, given that unsustained work earlier in February 2026. Also in line with oversold relative strength index indicator levels last seen in 2022 when Bitcoin prices were just at 15,000. Now, if we do manage to have a clean hold below the 60,000 mark, which is the key support level in focus, we might be expecting another drawdown towards the 50,000 to the 48,000 mark, aligning back with lows last seen in August 2024 for potential dip buying opportunities in line with these multi-year oversold levels from a momentum perspective. Now, from the upside, should prices close back above the 75,000 and 80,000 mark, we might have bullish bias reassert itself on the charts, possibly aiming back at key levels between the 100,000 psychological threshold, the 110,000, and the 126,000 record before we can extend to new thresholds on the Bitcoin charts, aiming towards the 150,000 and 200,000 marks.